Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to auto invest in Bybit. So please watch the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Bybit website, what you're going to do is to go to the tools and go to the trading bot as you can see on the screen. And right here on the trading bot, you can create your bot that is preferred to you. For example, you can create future gold, futures margin gale, or spot grid, DCA, whatever you want. So I'm going with futures grid. So right here on the futures grid, as you can see, right here on the left side, I will see a bunch of strategy of auto investing that I can choose. And after I click them, the settings right here on the right side will automatically change based on the strategy that I chose. So for example, right here to the Bitcoin and USDT, as you can see, the volatility ratio is P to 4%. The profit grid is 1.6%. The duration is long, and yeah, that's it. So what you're going to do is to type your minimum investment. So the minimum investment is 429 USDT, and you just need to insert your investment and click right now, and yeah, that bot will be created and execute the strategy that you chose and earn some money. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can auto invest in Bybit. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.